Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to show you a tutorial on how I'm going to install my crochet hair by myself. I'm going to be using the Bella collection crochet twist in 18 inches. I'm using 2 packs of this and I'm going to be installing it on my own hair. I want to show you the step by step, the process, and I'm going to show you the full details about the process and how I'll be able to achieve it. And if you are new here, if you're just watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try to hit the like button, comment, share my videos, even watch my previous videos. You can see some 1 or 2 tutorials that can be very helpful for you. And I hope that at the end of this video you will learn 1 or 2 things on how to install the crochet hair by yourself. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to turn up your notification bell to know when I drop a new video. Don't miss out on my next video. Love you, catch you later. I'm just going to start right into the video. I already relaxed my hair with the Mega Growth Cream Relaxer yesterday and the folding pan, and I'm just going to go and divide my hair into 2 because I want to weave the crochet, the weaves down so that before I can install the crochet. So I'm dividing my hair into 2 in such a way that I haven't done that. You can just pack the one at the back together. Now, so you will weave this one backward. Dividing your crochet hair depends on the quantity of your crochet hair and also the fullness of the hair. So you have to section the hair in according to how full you want the crochet hair to be, and especially the front. You have to take very important care and note of the front and weave it according to how you do. So I'm just going to use my extension braids, just little quantity. I just wanted to secure it more tightly. That is why I'm using the expression braid hair. So I will just weave this like I will weave in my normal hair. I want it to be really slim at the front. I want it to be full at the front. That's why I'm doing it this way. So the same way I'm going to weave the others until I get to this point. I finish weaving the front. All I'm just going to do is just to weave this part like this, leave this part to this place and join it at the back. That's how I'm going to do for the rest. All I just want to do is just section it. I'm not bothered about the size now. It's even going to be bigger than the front, so I'm just going to section it and start weaving it down just like normal. That's how I'm going to do for the rest of everything. So when I get towards the down, I'm just going to take this part and attach. So when I continue weaving down, that's how you do for the rest as you continue weaving. Okay, now I haven't done with the weaving. I will start with the crochets, and this is 1 strand. all I just need to do is to, the hook is together, so you just insert it in your hair, underneath your hair. You see, just take it like that, take it, the edge of this, put it into the middle of that, then drag it, and that's it. That's one strand fully secured. The same method you use for the rest of the hair. I'll do the same for this part. This tiny hole, insert the tip of the hair, then drag firmly. Do for another one. Close the lip, secure underneath your hair, then you close. That is how you continue doing till you finish the front. Why I'm taking time to do the front is that I want the pattern. I want to see if I'm going to do half pattern or center pattern, just to know that the hair is fully enough for the front before I move to the back. I haven't finished with the front. I've completely crocheted the whole front. You can see how neat and full it is in the front. That's what I want to achieve. Then I continue with the back. Like I finish round with the back with the rest of it. See? So that's it. The hair is fully installed. Everything full. Now I can decide to pack it at any time I like, anywhere I like. We can also decide to pack it central parting, any way that suits you. It's fine. This is better. Or you can even decide to pack it as a ponytail. It's also, yeah, look at the front. That's it for this video. I hope you've been able to learn how you can do your own crochet yourself, and it took about 1 hour in total for everything, both the braids and the weaving and installing the crochet. I also used the 18 inches of Bella collection crochet twist. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn up your notification bell to know when I drop the next video, and I want you to catch me in my next video. And don't forget to drop comments, like this video, and share my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.